was one of the people who refused that Yakwana, let us not join East African community as quickly as this. Why? Because we are not well off. The East African community, their education is better than us. They are better than us in almost in everything. So now, this is one of the disadvantages that they are making. Because we hopelessly joined them without even knowing what are our benefits on the other side. I was very vocal in this house. I was saying, let us wait. I'm not refusing to join East African community, but let us be also at their level so that we come together and we compete. But our people blindly, they say, no, you are delaying us, let us join the community. I said, okay, I was defeated. We were about 15 who was voted out on that issue. Now you are seeing what I was saying some few years ago. This is what was the reason that I said we should not join them until we know what we should gain from them. Now, encouraging to our land, is it that we are what we want to gain from them? Is it that why we are seated here so that our resources are looted? No, we must say no to them, and it is a big no. It should not be respected. We are people, we are very few, we are almost 12 or 13 million, but I tell you, we can even capture Uganda. Yes, we can capture Uganda if it means that we have to defend ourselves. But we should not call for those situations because we thought that we are brothers and sisters. So let the message be sent to them here that we know what they are doing and it is just a matter of time. It is just a matter of time. We will regain every part of South Sudan unless it was something entitlement of them. But if it is claimed by force, no, I'm sure we will regain them. Because I was a fighter myself, but they even ran away in some areas when we were fighting. I know what they are. Some of them do not even want to die.
Thank you.
But for us, we want to die if it comes to our sovereignty. Thank you very much, and God bless all of you.